Okay, Slow Ride by Foghat. We got this A power chord. We're gonna go. Okay, so we have down, up, 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 and then we're gonna go. So that's a 3 on the A string with 2 on the 4th string there. Kind of pull that off, back into the 3-2. So 2, 3, 4. So the only difference is we're gonna do a little bend on that big 3 at the end of that one. Then we're back into it. We start getting into a different feel there. And then we move into this part A. It's going to be. So it's down, up, and then another up on the A power chord. And then we get that D chord, 5, 7, 7, 7. 2 Ds, 2 Cs, and back to. Now the second time, just 1 chord each on the D to C. Twice. Once. Now here, this new part, we're gonna go. So it's kind of with the slide, you could play that. It's kind of like the 7 to 7. Hit the chord. You can kind of hit the chord and then just go to that 2nd string, 7th fret. Do the same thing, going to that 5 on the 2nd string. That's kind of what the slide is doing though. Sliding into the 7s, G to B strings. 5 to 5. And then 2nd string 2 to 3rd string 2. So it's. So you really could do it without a slide, you know, so that you can do it all with one guitar. So now we're going to get into this part C, that thing with. That was part B, I'm calling that. So part C is going to be a. So it's just a power chord, but you're going to start out with just the bass note. So bass, chord, chord, bass, chord, chord, and do the same thing for F sharp. At the end of that one, kind of don't do the very last one, but it's 4 times back and forth between that A and F sharp power chords. Kind of slow down at the end of that one. Then we have this new part. A minor 7, we got A bass, 2 open and 1. You can hit the open on the bottom of that if you want to. And then that's a D with the A bass. So it's got open and then 4, 2, and 3. So we had. That's part D. We're gonna go. Back into part A. Now part B. So A to D with the A bass. I'm calling this part E. Twice, and then A chord, and then we go. So a little fill here. We got pull off, 7, 5 on the D, 7 on the A, 5, 7, 5, 7. And we got. And now we have this riff. Okay, so I'm calling that one riff F there. So we got 7, 7, 5 on the D, 7 on the A, 5, 5, 7 on the A, little bend on the 3, A power chord. Okay, so it's. Okay, so let's take a look at that lead. We got 10-8-10 on the B, 9-7-9 on the G, 6-4-6 on the G. We got that 5 on the second string, little tiny bend on that 5 on the G, down to that A down there, 7th fret D. So we got. We'll do it again. And then we got 7. Got 7 on the D, and then 6, 7, 8, 9 on the G. Little 5. Up and down on that 7 on the G, pull off to the 5. Down to the A note. Same riff there, and then here we're gonna go. So we start on the 10 on the second string. Pull off 10 to 8. Bend that 10. Little bluesy bend on that 8, back to the 10. So once again, that lead we got, and you could do this on a slide if you wanted as well. Okay, then we're back into part C, which was that octave kind of thing, where you kind of just play the first note. And then we got that A minor 7, D with the A bass, and then we got our. Part A. Part B. Okay, then we got the part E. Back to the A. Now it's going to be like a little slide riff up here. Okay, so it's going into 17s. Take that 19 to 21. Kind of go 17 down to 15 on the second. And you're right back into some chords. So you got the. And we got that. Okay, now there's one more thing. He kind of gets some feedback going, and he goes from 5 to 8 on the second. 8 to 10. 13 to 15. Back to 8. And then he's got a 7 on the D string. And then it's going to go. So we got 7, and then da da bum bum bum. 4, 6, 7 on the D to 5. 5 to 4 to 7. Got to kind of just listen to this a little bit. And then 7 goes 2 to 5 on the G. 7, 9, 12, 14, 17, 19, 20 on the second. And then there's a couple more little riffs at the end, but that's basically about it. So slow ride, we got. Okay, so you got all that stuff. You got the next one. You got the. You had that kind of power chord thing. 4 times, then you had. Etc. Later, you got a couple different fills, but then you got the. The lead. right, Foghat by request. Thanks for being patient on that. I'm going to get into more Foghat coming up. We're going to do that. I Just Want to Make Love to You. Probably do Fool for the City. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching, guys. Tabs with this. Talk to y'all later.